Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today, let's learn how to do 5D subtraction with regrouping. Now, let's take two numbers 65,347 and 26,068. First, write the numbers one below the other according to place value table. But remember one thing, the greater number always will be on top. So we can start our subtraction. See, first take unit place. Here, the unit place digits are 7 and 8. So subtract 7 minus 8. See, 7 is always lesser than 8. So, we cannot subtract. Then, borrow 1 from tens place. So, 4 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 3, and 7 ones increased by 10 and it becomes 17. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 17. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Next, subtract tens place digits, that is 3 minus 6. 3 is lesser than 6, so we cannot subtract. Then borrow 1 from 100 place. So 3 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 2, and 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Next, subtract 100 place digits, that is 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. Next, thousands place digits, that is 5 minus 6. 5 is lesser than 6, so we cannot subtract. Then borrow 1 from 10,000 place, that is 6 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 5, and thousands place digit 5 is increased as 15. Now we can subtract 15 minus 6, that is equal to 9. Next, subtract 10,000 place digits, that is 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So, when we subtract 65,347 and 26,068, we will get the difference as 39,279. Now, let us check whether our answer is right or not. To check the answer to a subtraction problem, add the difference to the smaller number. If your answer is correct, you will get the greater number. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Now, let's add the difference 39,279 with the smaller number 26,068. So, the difference plus smaller number is equal to greater number, that is 65,347. Hence, our answer is correct. One more example, 58,732 minus 26,582. So, first subtract one's place digits, that is 2 minus 2. See children, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer will be 0. So, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, subtract 3 minus 8. See, 3 is lesser than 8. So, we cannot subtract. Hence, borrow 1 from 100 place. So, 7 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 6 and 3 is increased as 13. Now we can easily subtract 13 minus 8, that is equal to 5. Next, subtract 6 and 5, that is equal to 1. Next, subtract thousands place digits. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next, subtract 10,000 place digits. That is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, when we subtract 58,732 and 26,582, we will get 32,150. Now, let us check whether our answer is correct or not. So, we can add the difference 32,150 with the smaller number 26,582. So, when we add the difference with the smaller number, we will get the greater number as 58,732. Thus, our answer is correct. Okay, children. Now I believe you all have understood how to do 5-digit subtraction and also how to check the answers. Then see you next session with another topic. Okay, children. Take care. Thank you.